बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हमारा ऐसे है और स्कूल प्रिंसिपल। Every school has a principal who has the power to make all the major decisions in the school. We also have a principal at our school. Her name is Mrs. XYZ. She is a remarkable lady who has dedicated her life to education. She is a talented, graceful and intelligent woman, and everyone at school admires her. She joined our school 20 years ago. She is a very strict person, especially when it comes to the rules and regulations of the school. She makes sure that every student and staff member comes on time. As a principal, she is incredibly organized and efficient. She is also an inspiring educator. She also assists students and their parents with issues involving education. She sincerely cares about each and every student and she works tirelessly. During assembly hours, she also attends the assembly. She makes important announcements by herself. She takes care of the school very well. Overall, our school principal is a remarkable leader. We are proud of our principal and we hope that we will have her for many more years. With her presence, we are all happy. We are all very happy. She is the best principal and we all love her very much. And we wish her success all through her life. ये हमारा ऐसे ख़त्म हुआ। अगर आपको लिखना हो किसी प्रिंसिपल जो मर्द प्रिंसिपल के लिए लिखना है तो ये नीचे ये है, ये देख लें। ऐसे वही है, सिर्फ वो चेंज कर दिया है, शी की जगह ही कर दिया है और बाकी चीज़ें उसी तरह हैं। तो आप ये देख लें। अगर आपको ये लिखना हो तो इस तरह लिख लें। लेडी प्रिंसिपल की जगह लिखना हो तो ऊपर वाला लिखें और नहीं तो नीचे वाला लिख लें, जो आपको जैसा भी लिखना हो। और आपको वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग। अल्लाह हाफिज़।